Hey, how you doing? Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Woo Pips, aka Woo Crypto, the kid with the string on his glasses. Today we're gonna, do an update. But before we do the update on the signals, well, it's not signals anymore. I'm just gonna call them my markups because we mark up the charts and like your teacher say you got to show your work. So, but I'm not a teacher. I'm not here to teach. This is all for just entertainment. But I just be trying to entertain the world. But through YouTube, that is. Ripple, massive gains, 20%, phenomenal gains. We have some of these ripples. I got some ripple. I'm trying to get more ripple before it takes off again. 50 cents, like, yo, buy as many coins as you can right now at 50 cents. Like, imagine 50 cents getting to 6 racks. Like, we sleeping. If I don't have ripple, like, if I don't got like 10 ripples by next week, I suck. If I can't afford $5 worth of ripple, I'm bugging. $10 worth of ripple, I'm bugging. Gotta get your ripples up. Gotta get your crypto up. I trade it, so really buying coins really don't matter for me at this point, regardless, because I'm gonna like catch up. But I mean, it's not even catch up. I'm really ahead of my time because this is just the beginning. I have Tron. I have a lot of these coins, but we're not gonna sit here and talk about who coins got what coins. I got Doge coins too. I got a lot of these coins. Woo! Look at that number, Doge. Oh man, and it's top 20. I remember when it was only top 100. So progress is being made. Just I like to stay in my lane. I hope you stay in your lane, but I'm not here to offend nobody or anything like that. We're here to talk numbers, talk charts. Do that miss intangible thing. That talk about intangible coins, but we see numbers jumping over here. We see numbers jumping. Let's go check them out. But Bitcoin's up 0.80%. 1% is real good at a volume that Bitcoin now. We're talking about billions of dollars. Ooh, we see nice candles. We've seen some of these resistance. It's been hanging around that 78.6 point area strong. Let's just go and zoom out of, into higher time frame so we get a clearer, image of what's going on. Oh yes, we still have that level of support. Look, we about to take the average right here. We about to make a new random line. I really want to say this is that random support. And why I even call it random, because right here we can even do this right here. This is what I truly like to do. I like to take the highest wick of one of those points and get an average. So you see we got a lot of candles here, boom. So we're in a rectangle right now, right? A rectangle with the next strongest resistance point. So these lines are all lines. So we get a sense of direction. We want to pull out our fibs, Fibonacci retracements. If you don't know what that is, I'm pretty sure I've spoken about it and done a little mini tutorial. If not, get into it. Watch videos about Fibonacci. So this was our regular swing that we were looking at. Boom. We're gonna delete that for now. Oh, I gotta take that back. Put that back. I'm trying to take off this Fibonacci right here because that's the swing we're looking for. We have that 78.6. We know it's there. So we're going to work with where we're at because I'm trying to teach a little price action today on price action is very simple tools. It's just lines and a few tools like Fibonacci. So we had this resistance points right here with this red line. I think that's my weekly resistance. It's gonna get tested. Price is gonna come up, and my belief, it might not happen now, but it's working its way up because right here are all the low points. These are the lows of the market, and as you can see, the low points are even going higher. When the low points are even increasing, came here and did a retest. I talk about retests all the time. Over time, your mind is going to start picking up on these things. And people call these patterns like double bottom. Somebody might call it a triple bottom because you had a 1 touch here, a 2 touch here, and then the 3rd touch right here, and then boom, price shot up. I can show you on a higher time frame, like the H4 is going to look less, but oh snap. I kind of did that wrong. So let me do this. Get this area. We need something to recognize this area, right? So we're gonna make this rectangle right here. Boom, catch that. We go into a higher time frame. You start making names for these things. Might look better on the daily. Because Bitcoin has a lot of data for where it's at, and it's holding up a nice, you see, somebody, yeah, boom, double bottom right there on the daily, double bottom, which means, there was a lot of strong support here. We can see a lot of exhaustions, a lot of wicks. Look, wick. We have a wick over here, retest from that support king, and that is a tested candle. So that 100% retrace was just a test. Almost, you see it came, boom, shot up, did a retracement, and this is going to be a slow movement up. And this is all within that rectangle off the 1 hour we were talking about earlier over here. Boom, where we had all of that going on. So now that we found our area of support, we're looking for more upside motions. We want to look for safer entries. What we would like to do at that point is start applying more lines. We have this area right here. Where we made our trend line. Gotta get this to zoom in a lot more. I think it's zoomed out all the way, which is alright. So, oh, I know what I wanted to do. Where is this? Alright, boom, reset. I'm trying to zoom out. Oh, I know what happened because I did it on a higher time frame. So I'm gonna take this out, delete. I need room to draw. I'll also try to keep your charts clear. Start deleting these things. That didn't go all the way up as I wanted to. It came down. And yeah, see, these were signals. I lost that, and then I got highly upset, and then I got I didn't chart up anywhere after that. But this level right there, this weekly support or weekly resistance is acting as resistance now. This triangle still hasn't been broken on either side, so we don't really know what's going on. Market is being very indecisive. It's ranging. That's why I made that rectangle right here. This market is we're trying to capture price. This is what price action is about, learning how to capture price. So we're going to go into a lower time frame, do a little scoping of what's going on, and as we zoom in, we can get more details of the candles, and we see that BTCUSD is going to be coming up to some form of resistance on the 15. Let me take this out too. Boom. I love lines. Alright, boom. We're going to make another trend line. Have some fun. Okay. Right here. I can't even make the trend line I want. Yeah, see, so it's still going to take some time. If price comes up, we can find resistance around this area and then continue to shoot down. It can also continue to shoot up, which we're seeing a 100% retrace, which means it's going to shoot up. We just don't know when it's going to shoot up, but we know when BTC USD does shoot up, it's going to come here. It's the fibs, this fib of this swing that we're on. This is our take profit. We can see BTC USD going to 11K, and then along the way, if you don't catch that ride really quick, or if you're not on that ride on the way up, we're gonna make things happen, and it's all good. I'm gonna be trading micro soon. I'm just working on a little bit of UJ, spend some time with UJ. I really don't do markups for UJ because right now I'm with crypto. Crypto wants to talk about BTC USD. I want to talk about Ripple. This is what I've been marking up lately, but I do mark up USD JPY on a regular. And even from this swing, we can even take this swing right here. Pull out our fib tool. Get this, of course. Boom. Why don't you want me to drill today? Alright. Get the average. I like to use the average. Average gives me, it's really what helped me learn how to take profit. And what I mean by that is make ideal take profit points that actually are, really good. which might also be 100% retrace of this move. You know what I mean? Price comes here, test that 74. So for now, our next bus stop or our next train station is around that 7,000 area. That's what BTC is heading to, go test. It came here, test, retest, and it's continuing to shoot its way up. It created lower highs and higher lows. I mean, higher highs and lower highs, which is an uptrend. So we see a lot of uptrend moving up here. And I'm short on UJ. So see you on the next episode of any update with this price action. Support, resistance, and fibs is what we use today. You can, play this back and take notes. Enjoy the video. See you on tomorrow's analytics on the Pip Crypto Show. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, boy, with the string on his glasses.